Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing goes smoothly. You need a charged Astro A50 and the base station powered. This prevents interruptions during setup. Once done, plug the base station into the Ps4 via USB and into power. Make sure the A50 is set to the Ps4 mode on its base or headset. You do this now because the console only recognizes the A50 when the dock is powered and the headset is in the correct mode. Next, you pair and route audio so game sound and chat flow correctly. Press the pairing button on the base station until the LED blinks, then press the headset's pairing if required. They will sync visually. On your Ps4, go to Settings, Devices, Audio Devices, and choose the USB headset, Astro A50, for both input and output if you want chat on the headset. Adjust output to headphones and set volume level. This ensures both game and party audio. Finally, confirm everything works before you start playing. Test the microphone in a party or voice memos so you hear your own voice and confirm others can hear you. Check the Ps4 audio mixer for game/chat balance and adjust the A50 mix on the base station if necessary. If audio or mic fails, reconnect the base station USB, power cycle the headset, and reboot the Ps4. This clears USB handshake issues. If problems persist, try a different USB port or update headset firmware via Astro Command Center on a PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.